guys, Realtor Mike here. How are you? I'm here at Broadfield. It's technically in Binyan, Laguna, but 5 minutes from the giant New Valley sign or 5 minutes from Solinad Malls. So something's cooking here. So Broadfield is an estate of Ayala Land. Yeah. Okay, there's a massive development here. Before, it's an estate, commercial estate, a CBD. Before, Alveo was marketing it, but recently, Ayala Land Estate Group acquired it. Since they acquired it, they're pushing it massively. Well, the carrier for me, De La Salle, Manila, Laguna campus. So I'll make a separate video. They're really doing a lot of things there. New buildings, mga IT setup, robotics, etc. From kinder yan to college. Ito yung I think will be the main carrier right now of Broadfield. And then yung Artha Land, which is a boutique developer, has less than 10 hectare development over that part. Artha Land is a boutique developer who's creating a name for itself na nagkakaroon siya ng following. The condos in BGC, yung area yata, medyo maganda yung feedback. Plus, many other clients are beginning to like Artha Land, such as may following si Rockwell, si Ayala Land, of course, may following. Artha Land, I've never focused on them, pero I've been hearing good things about them. Anyway, they have a less than 10 hectare property here. Townhouses na magaganda din. I've seen the properties, and some medium-rise condos. It's over there, banda dito, That the back of the entrance of De La Salle. So I'll feature that. So also probably in the in my future videos, Tapos Metrobank, which I think owns part of Broadfield, and they have their own individual. Ang balita ko, they will make their own estate. They're very optimistic also with this area that they'll be making their own development, That's what I heard, Nothing confirmed yet. This side, there'll be a direct access to South Avenue. Yung South Avenue na yan, medyo critical rin yun, going to West Grove and many other South Forbes / Cathay Land villages. So dito yon, may daan yan diretso. And what I heard, they are studying to make a way naman dito towards Carmona. So geographically, when I looked at Google Earth, connected talaga siya. So I think they must be acquiring properties or yung mga right of way for the roads, I think that would be very exciting since pag nag-open up dito Carmona, sobrang connected yan, seamless yan from Carmona, and they have Ayala as another estate there, yung former racetrack, up to here. Das diretso ka ng New Valley. Dito pala yung is an access of Calax. So you can just imagine the connectivity of everything, But for me, it's still yung De La Salle will really be the anchor, Time horizon 5, 10, 15 years. This will really be booming. Ang secret dito na I want to relate to you guys who want to invest. There are 2 Alveo properties here. Dalawang communities, dalawang villages sold out, Venido and Avea. And I think it's below radar, Below the radar pa yung as an investment opportunity. Still have sellers here wanting to sell at from 28 to 32,000 pesos per square meter versus dun sa New Valley ng Alveo doon, they're asking anywhere from 38 to 45,000 dahil yung bagong village ni Alveo in New Valley will be released soon, 45,000 pesos per square meter. That's why I feel that this Avea and Venido are very good buys at this moment. Below the radar pa siya. Okay? For me, anything that's beside a very exclusive school, has great potential. Just like Poveda, Xavier, Ateneo, Lasal Green Hills. I'm really bullish lalo na to. And here, mind you, walang informal settlers. So it's pretty much the developers tabula rasa. Talagang clean canvas, clean development. Hindi lang na siningit or something like that. To the golfers, may gagawin na parang golf academy at the back of Lasal. Tapos may road din. May back road to West Grove, their secondary gate, going towards Beacon Academy, an international school. So many things are happening here. So it's just 3-5 minutes drive to the giant New Valley sign, Solinad. So this, of course, I'm still bullish about New Valley, but this is a secondary CBD na combo with the residential. Many things will happen here. I'm sure this will be played back 20 years from now and say that I was right, hopefully. Okay, that's Realtor Mike saying stay safe and stay in faith. God bless. Bye. Ayala Land Estates, their ano no, Ayala Land's estate groups, estate group. Yan. So ano no, Arta Land is being is ano no, is the, ano no, Arta Land is ano no, I've never Carmona pag nag-open up ito, nag-open up here, sorry. There are two Alveo properties here. Dalawang ano no, dalawang medyo walang ano, hindi medyo walang ano,